In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send funds from Stripe to Payoneer. This process is straightforward, but it requires a few specific steps to ensure everything is set up correctly. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to log into your Stripe account. Make sure you're on your home dashboard page. This is where you'll find all the essential information about your account balance and recent transactions. Once you're on your home page, the next thing you want to do is locate and click on the Balances section. This is usually found on the left-hand side of your dashboard menu. Clicking on Balances will take you to an overview of your available funds and transactions, which is vital for the steps that follow. Now, once you are on the Balances page, look for the Manage Payouts drop-down menu. This option will allow you to control where and how your funds are sent. Click on this drop-down to reveal more options. From here, you'll need to select Manage Bank Accounts. This is where you'll set up your Payoneer account to receive funds from Stripe. Next, you'll see an option to Add Bank Account. Click on this to begin the process of linking your Payoneer account. It's important to have your Payoneer bank details handy, as you'll need to enter them here. Ensure that you enter all the required details accurately to avoid any issues with your payouts. This includes your bank account number, routing number, and any other information that Payoneer requires for receiving funds. Once you've entered your Payoneer bank details, continue with the setup process by following any additional prompts Stripe provides. This might include verifying your bank account or confirming the setup through an email sent by Stripe. Make sure to complete all these verification steps to finalize the linking of your Payoneer account. After everything is set up, you'll be able to send funds from Stripe directly to your Payoneer account. This means whenever you have a payout, it can be easily transferred to your Payoneer account, making it convenient to manage your finances across platforms. And that's it! You've successfully linked your Payoneer account with your Stripe account, allowing you to transfer funds seamlessly. Remember, if you encounter any issues, double-check the details you entered and ensure that your accounts are verified. This will help prevent any potential delays in receiving your funds. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you manage your financial transactions more efficiently. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this one.